Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, leave a comment, maybe even share with a friend. All those really do help out the channel a ton. So today's product is available on Amazon, so there is a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can check out the current price point, see if it's on sale, and all that lovely information. But what is it? So today I want to share with you a cool, compact vegetable peeler, paring knife, and cutting board. So this is by a company called Andmoon, and it comes in 3 different colors. You have the pink one, the green one, and then of course the blue one, which I've been using here. Now, in addition, like I said, it comes with this nice little compact cutting board, which is 8.5 inches wide by 6.5 inches tall. Then you're also going to get a nice little paring blade. Has this protective cover here to keep you from cutting when you're reaching into the drawer. And then it has a 3-inch blade, and the handle here is 3.5 inches. Now, in addition to that, you also get a vegetable peeler right here, and the handle for this is a 4-inch handle. So this is great for peeling those potatoes, and essentially it's easy to use and easy to clean, which is really, really great. Now, why I like this is it's real quick to grab. It is a small cutting board, but it's very easy to use. They have this hole here, so if you choose to hang it up in your kitchen or whatnot, you can do that. And then this is what's really, really cool. So you know when you're cutting up like fruits and vegetables, that liquid, like you're cutting up an orange, for example, or cutting up a lemon, it will kind of, the juice will get everywhere. Well, it has this groove all the way around it, which will capture that liquid, so that way it's not going underneath your cutting board, which is really, really awesome. Now, another thing about this cutting board, it is environmental friendly. It is BPA free because it is made of a natural straw fiber and starch material that is basically compressed under superheat and hardened. So it is basically eco, non-toxic, and that is awesome to have around in the kitchen, because the last thing you want is basically some stuff that's just going to leach into your food. Now, I do recommend hand washing all of this, because the blade itself is a nice stainless steel blade, and so if you put this in the dishwasher, it doesn't have a coating or anything like that, it will rust over time. So make sure to hand wash it, but everything's nice and small and compact, so it is really, really easy to hand wash. But yeah, that's basically the ins and outs of it. So if you're looking for a nice little paring knife to cut up your fruits and vegetables, I totally recommend these. And like I said, it has a lot of fun, bright colors, whether you like the blue, the green, or the pink. And it doesn't take a lot of room up in the kitchen, and it's very, very versatile. And that is it. So until the next video, you guys take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.